Hello children, we are going to learn about the computers of standard 2. Lesson number 1, computers are everywhere. So first we have done our half lesson, now few points are there. Okay, so where we were, that importance of computer we have studied, then what are the features of computer, then uses of computer at various places. All this we have studied before. Okay, now there are few points left I will discuss. First we used computer at home, computer in the school, computer at office, computer at different shops, then computer in banks we use. Where else we use? Computer in hospitals, computer in police station, computer at railway station, airport, then computer in different places. These are the points where we have use the computer, and which from this few points I have explained you in previous lecture. So now computer at police station we are going to learn. Now what is the use of a computer in police station? Who will tell me? To keep the records of the criminals. With the help of computer, what they all do to keep the records of the criminals, how many criminals are there, what they have done, all the records are kept in the computer. Then to record fingerprints of the criminals, then they take the fingerprints also. So, and to receive and send information. With the help of computer, they are receiving the information, they are sending the information through the computer. Now nowadays from the phone also we can track the criminals. Okay, so our science has been very fast, so we are tracking criminals with the help of the telephone also sometimes. Okay, if someone is for example someone is doing some thief or anyone who has stolen the mobile. So if the tracker is there, GPS system is there in their phone, so we can track where is the phone. Okay, so nowadays the criminals records are also kept in the computer. We can take the track the fingerprints with the help of computer. Now, at railway station and airport, what we do with the computer with the help of this, we can book the train tickets, we can book the aeroplane tickets, then we see availability of tickets, whether the ticket is available whenever we want to go. For example, now you have holiday on Saturday, Sunday, now you want a ticket for Saturday, Sunday, so we check everything on the computer. Is there a ticket for Saturday, Sunday? So we are checking the tickets of records in the computer. Now, and what else? Keep the records of departure and arrival of trains and aeroplanes. Now, at what time the aeroplane is going, at what time it is arriving. So all those records are kept in the computer. And computer in different places. There are they are used in hotels, different places we are using the computer. There are some places, for example, hotels. In hotels we can take the bills with the help of computer. Okay, then in hotels to keep the record of various visitors, those who are coming, those who are going. So all these records are kept with the computer. Then in designing to make books, posters and brochures. In printing also computer is used. Then in media to make films and cartoons. All the films and cartoons are also made in the computer. With the help of computer, means everywhere computer is used in our daily life. Okay, so this lesson is completed. Computer has now become an important part of our life. A computer always gives correct results, and a computer is used at various places: home, school, hospital, banks, etc. So we have learned about the different features of computer, we have learned about importance of computer, and we have learned about uses of computer at different places. Now I'll give you some difficult words also and some important points to write. Okay, these are some important points. So you can write this at home we are using, or you can write the importance of computer. A computer is a machine. It is an electronic machine which is used to do different kinds of work. All this thing you can write in your rough notebook and you can learn it. Whatever you are feeling difficult words, that also you can write. I'll give you more some difficult words which you can write at home. Okay. Now, at home, a computer in school, a computer at office, computer at different shops. Okay. Now I'll give you some difficult words also which you can sit and learn. Now first you have to draw different parts of computer. Okay. I have shown you in the first period only how to draw different parts of computer. Then I have told you the names. What are the different part names? First is monitor, monitor, monitor. Then second part is keyboard. Third part is mouse. Fourth part is CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. This is brain of the computer. What is the spelling of central? CENTRAL, central, PROCESSING, processing, UNIT, unit. This is Central Processing Unit. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit, and CPU is the brain of the computer. Okay. Now you can write this difficult words in your rough notebook and you can learn it. Okay. More words I'll give you. These are different parts also of the computer. The sixth word is letters. Seventh word is pictures. Okay. MONITOR, monitor. KEYBOARD, keyboard. MOUSE, mouse. Then CENTRAL, central. PROCESSING, processing. UNIT, unit. This is Central Processing Unit. LETTERS, letters. PICTURES, pictures. Speed, SPEED, speed. Then accuracy. Then speed, accuracy, diligence, store. Spelling of speed is SPEED, 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 ACCURACY, accuracy. Means a computer give accurate result, and the speed of computer is very fast. Diligence, DILIGENCE, D-I-L-I-G-E-N-C-E. This is diligence. Diligence means what? Means a computer do a lot of work but it doesn't get tired. If you will work for a long time, you will feel tired, but the computer will feel tired? No, because it is a machine and it doesn't get tired. So it can work for a long time. Whole day also it will work, no problem. 2 days, 3 days, it can work continuously. So the computer doesn't get tired, but human beings get tired because they are human beings and computer is a machine, so it doesn't get tired. Okay. Storage. S-T-O-R-A-G-E, storage means a computer store many information in the memory of the computer. We can't keep so many things in our mind, but a computer can keep all the things, whatever we are feeding in the computer, that are kept in its memory. Means it can store many things in the computer. See, information. I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N. I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N. Information. R-E-S-U-L-T. Result. R-E-S-U-L-T. Result. Whatever information we want from the computer, we get from the computer. Just type the question, you will get the information from the computer. And result. Result is what? Whatever answer we are getting, that is a result. Okay. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. So you all have to learn the spellings, okay? Practicals. P-R-A-C-T-I-C-A-L-S. Practicals. P-R-A-C-T-I-C-A-L-S. Practicals. Practicals means what? Whatever you are working. For example, you got some work in paintbrush, or you have to draw some lines, or whatever work you have, whatever practically you are doing, that is known as practicals. Okay. So whatever your teacher will teach when you will come to school, practicals will be done on the computer. For example, in paintbrush, draw the lines, draw the circle, draw the square, color it, all these things, whatever you are doing on the computer, that is known as practicals. Now one more time I will take the spellings. Write and learn. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Then CPU is the brain of the computer, that is Central Processing Unit. C-E-N-T-R-A-L, Central. P-R-O-C-E-S, SING, Processing. U-N-I-T, unit. L-E-P-T-E-R-S, letters. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures. Speed, S-P-E-E-D, speed. A-C-C-U-R-A-C-Y, accuracy. D-I-L-I-G-E-N-C-E, diligence. S-T-O-R-A-G-E, storage. I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N, information. R-E-S-U-L-T, result. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. P-R-A-C-T-I-C-A-L-S, practicals. So lesson number 1 is completed. So our second standard lesson number 1 is completed. Okay, thank you. So you all have to learn and write these words and draw the pictures, parts of the computer you have to draw as I have shown you. Okay, what are the monitor, what is keyboard, what is CPU. So all you have to draw the pictures in your rough notebook. I told you make one rough notebook. In that you will write all those things. Okay, I am giving you some work. What is that? Different words you have to write, all those difficult words. Draw parts of the computer. What was that? Again we will recall at once. What are the parts of computer? Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. These are all parts of the computer that you have to draw. Then what else you will do? I'll give you some work on computer for typing A to Z. If you have computer, you can type A to Z in notepad. If you have notepad, you can type in your computer. If you don't have, then it's okay. When you will come in school, I'll teach you. Okay? Type A to Z, capital letters, small letters A to Z. Okay? And if you finish this much, then you can type these letters. Difficult words which I had given you now. Then you can type monitor, the spelling of monitor you can type in the computer. Then you can type spelling of keyboard. In computer you can type spelling of mouse, CPU, letters, pictures, all these things you can type in the computer. Okay. Then you have different type of pictures of the computer also. Huh? All the different types. Laptop is there, then desktop is there. If you have some newspaper or something, now you can cut that pictures, stick it in your book. Okay, that will be one activity. So newspaper is there, then any book, old books are there. From that you can cut that pictures and stick it in your book. So it will be a type of activity. Okay. Then you can type 1 to 100 in the computer. Okay, in the notepad only you can type. See on the keyboard there is 1 to numbers are there now. From there you can type 1 2 3 like that till 100 you can type. If you finish typing this, you can type the numbers also. Okay. So whatever work I had given you, that you have to do at home. Thank you.